Hi, I'm Rahman here, going to unboxing my iMac 2020 21.5 inches 4K display. So let's unbox my iMac. Okay, let me explain what is 2020 iMac. 2020 iMac 21.5 inches display, Retina 4K display, 4096 by 2304 resolution with support for 1 billion colors, 500 nits brightness, wide color P3, and the processor is 3.0 GHz, 6-core Intel Core i5 Turbo Boost up to 4.1 GHz, and the memory is 8 GB of 2666 DDR4 memory, storage 256 GB SSD, graphics Radeon Pro 560X with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory, video support, FaceTime HD camera, audio stereo speakers, microphone, 3.5 mm headphone jack, connection and expansion. So 3.5 mm headphone jack, SDXC card slot, 4 USB A port, 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C port, display port, Thunderbolt up to 40 GB, USB 3.1 generation 2 up to 10 GB, Thunderbolt 2. HDMI, DVI and BGA supported using adapter slot, Kingston lock slot, input Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse 2, wireless Wi-Fi 802.11 AC Wi-Fi wireless networking, Bluetooth 4.2 wireless technology, and size and weight 21.5 inches iMac, height is a 45.0 cm, wide for 52.8 cm, and stand depth 17.5 cm, weight is 4.44 kg, 12.0 pounds. What is difference between 2019 and 2020 iMac? So basically is 2019 iMac is storage is HDD, what is a traditional hard disk drive, and 2020 iMac what is a solid state drive, it is called SSD. So basically is if you have a desktop PC, it will most likely have a traditional hard disk drive, one which the operating system along with any application you install and your files and folder are stored HDD. And what is a solid state drive, SSD? A solid state drive SSD is newer storage technology, but it is still been around for a while now, and if you have a modern laptop, it is likely that it uses an SSD, and your SSD is more faster speeds. So let's talk about why I choose iMac, because iMac is very nice and good build and very reliable, and iMac is supported 4K, so if you make any videos 4K resolution or good quality or HD or Ultra HD, so iMac is supported. But how much I paid for iMac. If I try to buy any other devices like laptop, HP, Dell, but you will never get that price, that quality of laptop or PC what is supported 4K. So only I found it on Apple iMac is reasonable price, and what I wanted exactly, that device is supported 4K, so I can make my videos 4K or less than 4K. Or actually is iMac work is great, and their performance is great, and the build is great quality, and Apple always make for their customer good quality and reasonable price, and it is work for long time. So try to buy SSD storage, so it is great for laptop and computer or PC or whatever any devices. For if you choose for a storage, buy SSD. iMac is great performance for video editing or any big project, so I'll suggest to, if you buy for video editing, so buy iMac. connection and expansion, you have a one 3.5 mm headphone jack, and one is SDXC card slots, and three USB A type port as well, and two Thunderbolt 3 USB C type, and you have a 1 GB internet connection and as well power port, and also another type C port there, and you have a power button on the right side. Input Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse 2, and configurable with Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad, and configurable with Magic Trackpad 2. Retina 4K display, 21.5 inches, Retina 4K display, 4096 into 2304 resolution with support for a 1 billion colors, 400 nits brightness, wide color P3. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.